Good day. For today's session, we will study about thematic analysis. To begin with, let's try to analyze some words posted in the screen. We have sampagita, lipstick, cherry, cotton, rose, and apple. Whenever we do thematic analysis, we try to figure out the pattern of information of things and then sort it out. Sort things and words which we think together can be grouped. For example, on these sets of words, we can have the first combination like this. Sampagita, cotton, lipstick, apple, rose, and cherry are sorted based on their colors. That's because sampagita and cotton have a common color which is white, while the others have a common color which is red. However, this is not the only way we can classify these things. It can also be like this. Sampagita and rose can be clustered into one as they are both flower. Cherry and apple can be clustered together as they are both fruit. While lipstick and cotton can be grouped together because they are both objects and they are all classified as materials. This is a classic demonstration of what we call thematic analysis. When we say we do thematic analysis, we analyze things in terms of the process of identifying patterns. We try to seek what is common to them and we group them according to that commonality. Thematic analysis have two distinct processes. These distinct processes are actually connected with one another. We have the cool analysis wherein we extract the idea and remove the irrelevant one, and the warm analysis wherein we group and sort them and define what it means. For example, these are statements from a student. My classmates are friendly. I feel like I'm a real professional. Classrooms are air-conditioned. I love my uniform, it's white. My teachers are friendly. I like the mild colors of the wall. So these are all statements. Now when we thematize things, it is not a question of whether it's absolutely correct or wrong, but it's a question of does it follow a logical process of identifying patterns. If we are able to justify that there is a pattern of information here, then it can be considered correct. For example, all of these are referring to student satisfaction, but each statement can be grouped, clustered, and thematized according to the pattern of information. Student satisfaction can be grouped into three if we will thematize the information given. We have the interpersonal satisfaction with the statement, my classmates are friendly, my teachers are friendly. This would refer to satisfaction between the person feeling it towards another person. We also have the extra-personal satisfaction, which is a satisfaction between the person feeling it and an object. The last one is intrapersonal satisfaction, justified by the statement, I feel like I am a real professional. I love my uniform, it's white. It's a satisfaction felt by oneself. Again, this is just one way of thematizing it. There could be other ways, and the other ways could also be equally correct, for as long as the one who thematizes can justify the pattern of information and is able to define what the theme means. Another one would be this one. These statements are all referring to responsibilities of single teenage mother. If we would thematize each of them, one pattern could be like this. The first theme is precautionary responsibility. Precautionary responsibility, if we would have to define it, would refer to responsibilities of single teenage mother that would uh, caution their child to experience the same thing that they have experienced. Ethical responsibility is the second theme, wherein we can define it as the responsibility of single teenage mother to educate their child in terms of good manners and right conduct. The last theme is the educative responsibility, or the responsibility of single teenage mother to educate their child in terms of academics. It's important to note that whenever we do thematic analysis, we should be able to define for ourselves clearly and completely what each themes mean. The themes are the groups that we clustered. We assign them name, and the name of each would represent one theme. After assigning the name, we define what it means based on the statement that we have grouped together. Once we have completed this process and the pattern of information is in sync with one another, therefore, we are on the right track of thematizing information. Thank you and good day.